In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Stremio. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your computer. Once it's open, click into the search bar, type in Stremio, and press Enter. From the search results, look for the official Stremio website. It's important to make sure you're selecting the official site so you download the correct installer. When you find it, click the link and wait for the home page to fully load. Once you're on the home page, look for the Download section. Websites sometimes place this near the top of the page or in the main menu, so just take a moment to find it. From the available download options, select Windows. After that, click the Windows Download option to continue. If the site shows more than one version, choose the standard Windows installer. You may also see different installer builds depending on your system architecture, so select the one that matches your computer. Then click the appropriate download button to begin downloading the installer. Give the download a moment to start. If your browser asks what you want to do with the file, click Save. While the file is downloading, you can monitor the progress directly in your browser. Wait until the installer has finished downloading completely before moving on. Next, open your Downloads folder and locate the Stremio installer file you just downloaded. Double-click the installer to launch it. If a user account control prompt appears asking for permission, click Yes. Then wait for the Stremio setup window to appear on screen. When the setup window opens, click Next to begin the installation process. Take a moment to review the license agreement, then accept the agreement to continue. If you're prompted to choose an installation location, select the folder where you want Stremio to be installed, or just leave the default location if that works for you. Click Next to move forward. If there are any additional installation options, choose the ones you want, then click Install. Now just wait while Stremio installs on your computer. This usually only takes a short time. When the installation is complete, click Finish. You can then launch Stremio from your desktop or from the Start menu. Once Stremio opens, sign into your account or create a new one if needed. Wait for the dashboard to load, then open the Add-ons section and install the add-ons you want to use. After that, return to the main screen and you're ready to begin using Stremio. Thanks for watching.